go. Another one. Going over the edge helps to add a little bit more buttercream. So we go to the top one. Now this one's going to be a little bit bigger, so we're going to carve it off. Okay, get our pans out of the way. Lemon cake, and yes, I can smell the lemon. All right, let me get my turntable. Okay, I'm going to carve just this one layer so that we can get this rounded out. And I'm going just down the edge a little bit. Buttercream will help. Give me the roundness. Score it off at the edge. The texture of this came out nice. Nice firm cake when you're carving is good. Okay, we're out a little bit too far, so I want to bring this in. When you have only two pans are the same size and you need to go a little bit larger, this is where your carving comes in good to get it down to the size you need. Knife is just going through this like butter. It's wonderful. You can see I'm turning the turntable as I'm holding the knife steady so I can get the curve, the roundness going. Once we get the feet put on here, you won't see any faux pas that are on it. Okay, very good. I'm going to clean off my board so I don't get any crumbs. And go into buttercream. All right, I'm going to pipe a lot of buttercream on here. Sometimes I use a spatula, but most of the time I like putting it on here with the quick icer. Good pressure. Boop. Good, so you can see. Just pushing really hard, filling it in. This is why I hold the bag the way I do, because you got to hold that bowl and get buttercream everywhere. It makes a mess. This is one of those times the burping doesn't matter. Okay. On the top you got to smooth with a spatula. The sides I'm going to use a scraper. Using the turntable to smooth, get the roundness. He's going to be so cute. What I love about the foam core is I can cut it larger, but I get a good layer of buttercream underneath the fondant. A lot of people think that fondant is the frosting. It's not. It's the sugar coating, which allows us to decorate the cake in the style that everybody come to know. So I always have to tell my brides, fondant does not replace the buttercream. It goes over the top. It's supposed to be very thin. Makes a good cake with buttercream. Okay, we're going to pop this in the fridge, let it chill a little bit, and then we will put the red on.